Nothing kills the Thanksgiving mood faster than cutting into that beautiful golden turkey, only to find out that it's drier than an Englishman's humor, or even worse, still gobbling on the inside. That's why chefs don't gamble with the main event. They don't poke, they don't prod, they don't trust their gut. They measure. And with a trusty meat thermometer, you'll know the exact moment that your turkey hits that sweet spot. Juicy, safe, and carved like Henry Cavill's chin. But first, dry brine. No water needed. We're just gonna take some salt, a little touch of brown sugar, some gorgeous dried herbs, and some citrus zest. Mix that all together and rub that all over your bird. Get underneath the skin, inside of the cavity. Think of it as a spa day for your turkey. Then, refrigerate it overnight. So your turkey spent the night at the dry brine spa, so now it's showtime. Take your bird out, preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, and pat it dry. Dry skin equals crispy, golden goodness. Time for some flavor magic. We're gonna make a herb butter for the turkey. So in a bowl, we're gonna combine our softened butter with some thyme, rosemary, sage, lemon zest, garlic, lemon juice, and of course, salt and pepper. Then take your turkey and gently loosen the skin so you can slide some of that flavorful butter all underneath it. Don't use all of it though. You want to save some of your butter so that you can coat the outside of your skin as well. Think of it as a big, flavorful hug for your turkey. Hug it down to its bones. Stuff the cavity with some aromatic, like some carrot, celery, and onions. Now to keep it pretty for the table, we're gonna use some twine to tie its legs together. Now this part is not optional. Grab your Typher Sync Gold Jewel. Turn it on and insert probe 1 into the breast and probe 2 into the thigh. Avoid those bones now. They could ruin the accuracy of your readings. Set up your cook on the app. With probe 1, we're going to select turkey, breast, and set the internal temperature to 165 Fahrenheit. With probe number 2, we're going to select turkey, thigh, and set the internal temperature to 175 degrees Fahrenheit. Now that all of that work is done, you can just sit back and let Typher work its magic. Now the Typher Sync Gold Jewel has a lot of great features. Precise dual probe monitoring. Track your breast and your thigh temperatures separately, ensuring a juicy breast but a fully cooked thigh at the same time. Stable signal, even through walls and ovens. Unlike other wireless thermometers that drop out inside an oven, Sync Gold's sub-1G tech is able to stay connected up to 3,000 feet, even through barriers. That's better than Superman. Accurate temperature monitoring, equipped with 5 internal sensors and 1 ambient sensor. The Sync Gold's probes are able to ensure that your cooking remains perfectly safe and on point with a 0.5 degree Fahrenheit precision. Smart base and app monitoring. There's no need to check your phone constantly. The smart base shows the temperatures live while your app lets you roam freely. Still connected. The app has an extra feature called ProView. Here you can monitor the temperature of all 6 sensors of a probe and more. Now your turkey breast is gonna cook faster than your thigh because the thigh has more fat and connective tissues. So what you want to do is simply move your turkey so that the thighs are closer to the source of heat. This prevents your turkey breast from getting dry while your thigh continues to cook until it's ready. Looks like it's time to take the turkey out. Okay, now, come here. I know, you've been cooking for forever inside this kitchen, and you're so tempted to just start carving. But hold up! Put the knife down! Resting your turkey is non-negotiable, okay? This is the moment where all of those juices and flavors lock in. Slice too soon, and you're basically flushing all of that down the drain. And I love you too much to let that happen, damn it! Use this time to prepare the last of your dishes, or enjoy a nice sip of wine in a moment of peace. Lord knows you've earned it. All right, turkey's done resting. Now it's time to reveal the glory. Wow, just look at that skin. Crispy, golden, perfect. And the meat, juicy all the way through. Ooh, absolutely perfect. Well, there you have it, guys. That's how you get a juicy, evenly cooked turkey, thanks to Typher Sync Gold Jewel. Happy cooking, everybody, and may your slices be juicier than your gravy. This is my lunch. Oh. Black Friday is here at Tyfer.com. Use the promo code SOCIAL10 for additional discounts.